Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and today is part one of my Rustler rebuild. And if you guys didn't watch the last video, I showed all the parts and stuff that are going back into this rebuild, like the motor, the tires, the batteries, and all that are going back into this. So if you guys didn't go watch the last video, make sure you watch the last video so you know what's going in. But today is part one of the rebuild, and I think I'm just gonna start putting like in just the little plastic parts, like the receiver box and ESC mount, and then maybe probably the servo as well, and then get this top plate screwed down. But before we even do that, I want to clean this up because it's dusty and stuff, and because it's just been sitting around collecting dust. So I want to get that all cleaned up. So I think I'm just gonna hit it with some degreaser and some water, and then we'll start actually putting in some of the stuff and getting this thing back to running. Alright, so as you guys saw, just a quick little cleanup before we get started. And today, like I said, I'm going to be putting in the smaller plastic parts that go in, and the servo, probably. So that includes the receiver box, the ESC mount, and I think that should be it. Just those two and the servo. We're going to be installing those three things today in part one. So let's get to it. Alright guys, look at that. I got the receiver box in, all screwed down. I didn't even put the receiver in, but I just wanted to get it all screwed down just so you know how it looks. The ESC mount all mounted up. Even got the new servo in. Look at that, it's starting to come together. Screw down this top plate. But look at that. finally not just a bare chassis. It actually has some things in it. I might just cut this off because I'm not going to use it, because the ESC doesn't, it won't even mount up to this. So I might just take that off, or I might just leave it. I don't know. I had to shave down like these little things right here for the battery, because I could put the battery in before, but I needed to like lift it up. But now since this is there, I need to put it like straight on. I couldn't like lean it and then press it down. But now since this is there, I can't put it straight in. So I had to just, there's these little, I don't know what you want to call them, but they're just coming out. So I had to just shave them down a little bit. So now the battery fits in there. And that's how it's going to look with the battery in there. It's coming along pretty good. I like how it's coming along so far. Alright, well that's going to be it for this video, guys. Thank you for watching. This is only part 1. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe so you can see part 2. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you for watching.